Version 1 for Lullaby Touch by Margaret Morales, we sprinkle electric diamonds in the background. So this is mainly just around the canvas, on the corners and on the sides of the canvas. For version 2 of Lullaby Touch by Margaret Morales, we add sapphire on the blue areas on the canvas. So these would be on her dress as well as some parts of her hair. So just look for the blue areas on the canvas and sprinkle it as you would wish on those areas. For version 3, we have several additions to the canvas for this special treatment. First one being morganite, which will be sprinkled in the pink areas on the canvas. So that would be portions of her fingertips, as well as a portion of her dress, and around her face, we've got her hair that's in pink, and some that are on her eyelids as well, kind of like her makeup. So we have those and the flowers in her hair. So just sprinkle the morganite crystals in those areas. Aside from that, we also add electric diamonds for that jewel that is on her forehead. So simply follow the shape of that and put electric diamonds in those areas. And finally, we've got red crystals, which will be filling in the heart. That's the red heart that we see. So we add red crystals, electric diamonds on the forehead, and morganite for version 3.